Hi, this is Lisa from Pivot 2 Solutions. Today we're going to be discussing how to make the most of your cell-style SmartView options. I'll be explaining how to set up your options to optimize your solution. You can access your SmartView member options by clicking on the Options button on your SmartView ribbon on the top pane. Cell styles are a little different in that they are global options, so it's not necessary to apply these to all worksheets or as a default, as they are automatically applied to all worksheets existing and future. Within the Cell Styles page, you will see that for differing types of information, there are differing colours to assist you to understand what you are looking at in your grid of data. The default that is shown here can be useful to use while you are building out your grid, as it provides you with a guide to what you are looking at. For example, any item in blue is a member from the database. Any grey cells are read-only, so you know you can't write over them. If I click into my data to the bottom level, I can now see my cells are yellow, which is really useful as I now know I have reached a level in the hierarchy where I can input data. I can also see those cells that have supporting detail and cell text. You do have the ability to change the font, colour and border of all the cell style items to meet your needs. In this example, I am going to change formatting that is displayed on any cell that contains commentary to make it more visible. So I have changed it to pink here, so then when I refresh my sheet, I now see any cell with commentary as a pink cell. I would recommend utilising the default cell styles for building up your grid. If you then want to use your grid as a report, etc., you may then want to switch to using Excel formatting to match your requirements, and we will cover that in the formatting tutorial. So that's our quick look at the cell style options available to you in SmartView. If you have any further questions or feedback, please reach out to us via our website or YouTube channel, and we look forward to seeing you next time on our Pivot 2 tutorials.